Milhouse with ThunderMax. We are here in Indy at HPI. I got Jimmy and Craig. They're getting ready to tear down the bike. We're getting ready to put a Zippers Performance Monster 128 kit, Jimmy's pipe, and some other goodies. Yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, so Craig's about got half the motor torn down, got the full top end taken down, and right now we're just waiting to put the Zippers Performance 128 Monster kit. Stage 3 CNC ported heads, cylinders, flat top pistons, Redshift 552 cam, S&S tappets. So we're looking to put down some power. Yeah, we'll see.
Ribeyes and shit, big bad motherfucker. Is Billy Staff room not the best you've ever had?
That's his final meal.
That's his death meal.
Yeah, I know. You can't, dude. It's insane.
Hey guys, we're back here at ThunderMax facility in White House, Tennessee. The bike's done for right now. Jimmy at HPI did an incredible job tuning. Zipper's Performance sent the 128, and man, we killed it on numbers. 153 horse, 152 foot-pounds of torque, monster gains. I'm gonna have to relearn how to ride this bike. Horsepower Inc. killed it last night with their bike night. Again, check us out online, thundermax.com, or check out our Instagram, ThunderMax EFI. Also, Horsepower Inc. and zippersperformance.com. We appreciate it. Thanks.